Hi guys, so I got this box from Wee from the TikTok shop and I love Wee, and this is the Bodak ramen snack, and these are actually ramen that you don't cook, and I was kind of intrigued, so let's check it out and see how you make it. So first you gotta smash it, you gotta sprinkle, and then you gotta shake it. So let's try it out, and this is what they look like in the inside. They're a little thinner than a regular ramen, and I was wondering, is it gonna be sweet? I wasn't too sure, so I couldn't wait to taste it. So that's how it looks again, and it comes with a little package, and I got to smashing until they were nice and small little pieces, and then I sprinkled the package, and just so you know, it is a little spicy. It did smell spicy, and then you shake it up, shake, 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 until you think it's all incorporated. And look how an orange, it looks like all the powder is all over it. And I was like, that's interesting. And look how nice it looks. All the powder is all over. And I did taste it, and it is kind of sweet and a little spicy. And the noodles are a little softer than a ramen because everybody has tasted raw ramen before. So it's a little sweeter, but they are good. So go check them out.